Yes. Good morning, everyone. So, in last class, students, we have finished. Already, we have finished the lesson. First unit, that is the three butterflies we have finished. So, now in this class, what I said you in the last class, we will discuss the question answers of this three butterflies lesson. Okay. So first let us start with the question answers. See here they have given let us understand. So let us understand. So here in this first concept let us understand the unit is unit number 1. Unit number 1. The name of the lesson is the three butterflies. Three butterflies. Okay. So first activity is that let us understand. So we have to, it is a understanding activity. We have to do this one first. Let us understand. Yes. So here in this one first activity, what is the first activity? See here. Choose the right words. Page number 3 it is. Choose the right words from the words given below and complete the following sentences. So here, see here. So they have given some words in this bracket and see here they have given the sentences, but the given sentences are not the complete sentences. So what we have to do? We have to complete these given sentences. We have to fill the blanks by using the correct words which are suitable to complete the given sentences from this given bracket. From the given bracket we have to choose the answer, choose the word to complete the given incomplete sentences. Okay, so this one I will not write it on the board, this is here only. So this directly I will give you the words given in the bracket and the sentences. First we will take it down. The words, like the words in the bracket they have given as sleep, united, two, clouds, the three, others, two, other two, yellow butterfly, yellow butterfly, and tree, and the last one is dance. Yes. So these are the given words in the bracket. So now, so the incomplete sentences they have given. How many incomplete sentences? 5 incomplete sentences they have given. So first sentence, what is the first sentence? See here, there are dash butterflies in the story. Which was the story? The three butterfly. There is a story in the story. In this story, how many butterflies were there? Yes, we have to write it here. So dash. So the answer is here in this bracket only. So those answers we have to find out and we have to complete this given sentence. So second one. So later on I will give you. So first we will write all the sentences. After that it will be easy for us to find out the answers. So second one, what is the second sentence? The rose agreed to shelter the pink butterfly, but not the dash. Yes, so at the beginning when the rain it started, all the three butterflies they went to a rose and asked the butterflies dash. So sun, he observed everything and he was happy to see the butterflies watch. Why he was happy to see the butterflies? So that answer we have to fill here. Okay, next fifth one is, what is the fifth sentence? The butterflies could dash as usual for the rest of the day. See, these are the 5 incomplete sentences. So what we have to do? We have to complete these sentences by using the given words in the bracket. So those words, they should suit to the sentence. They should give the answers to the sentence. So meaning to the sentences. See, let us move to the first sentence. Let us complete the first sentence here. There are dash butterflies in the story. So in this story, how many butterflies are there? How many? Yes, 3. So how many? 3. Very good. 3 butterflies are there. So is there any number, any word given here as 3 in the bracket? Is there? Yes, it is there. 3. They have given. So what we have to write here? 3. Answer is 3. So now read the sentence. Now it has become complete sentence. See, there are 3 butterflies in the store. So now it is the complete sentence. So now it is giving a complete meaning. Okay. So let us move to the second one. The rose agreed to shelter the pink butterfly. Yes. So when it was raining, so all the 3 butterflies, they went and asked the rose to give the shelter. The rose agreed to give the shelter to pink butterfly. But whom it didn't want to give the shelter? But see here, not the so remaining 2 butterflies were there, no. So those 2 butterflies, it didn't want to give the shelter. So for that, the answer is, what is the answer here? See, find out the answer here. Sleep. Is it the answer? No. United? No. 2? Is it the answer? Yes, but not the 2. Not other 2. So the remaining other 2 were there, not to the other 2. So the remaining red and yellow butterfly, for those butterflies, it didn't want to give the shelter. Yes, so now it has become the complete sentence. We have filled the blank with the correct answer from given words. Yes, now the third sentence. The sun was hiding behind them. So where was the sun hiding in the sky? So behind, see the options. See the words given in the bracket. So clouds. So the sun was hiding behind the clouds. So answer, this is the answer here. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. The sun was hiding behind the clouds. Okay? The sun was hiding behind the clouds. Clouds is the answer. So now let us come to the fourth sentence. So let us read it. The sun was happy to see the butterflies dash. So while the sun, he was happy, what he saw among the butterflies? How were the butterflies? Were they united or nuclear? They were united. Yes? They were not selfish. They were united. So by seeing their unity, sun, he was very happy. He became very happy. So the answer is united. By seeing the unity of the butterflies, the sun sun he became very happy. So the sun was happy to see the butterflies united. Answer is united. U-N-I-T-E-D. United. U-N-I-T-E-D. United. Okay. S. Next, the fifth sentence is the butterflies could dash as usual for the rest of the day. The butterflies could what? So after the rain it stopped raining. So what they did as usual, as their routine, they could dance. Here they have given they could dance. So what they could do? They could dance. So answer is dance. The butterflies could dance as usual for the rest of the day. So these are the first answer, first sentence. Let us read the completed one. Now it is the completed sentence, complete sentence. So once we will read it, there are three. So in the blank we have filled the word three from the given words. There are three butterflies in the story. The rose agreed to the shelter the pink butterfly, but not the other two. Next, third sentence is the sun was hiding behind the clouds. The sun was hiding behind the clouds. So the fourth one is the sun was happy to see the butterflies. Sun was happy to see the butterflies united. Yes. Next, the butterflies could dance as usual for the rest of the day. These are the answers. So take the answers, students. So later on we will move to the next. Take the answers. Take these answers. Fill the blanks with the correct words. Yes, students. So let us move to now. We came to know, we understood the lesson. So now what we have to do? We have to move to the next activity. So see here, next activity what they have given to us. Let us learn new words. Work with your partner. So now our partners, in the sense our friends, are not in our home. So now what we will do? So by ourselves only we will do this work. So what they want us to do is, so I have given you new words. So many new words we came to know in this lesson. So how much we have understood. So how much vocabulary we have. So about of the words we have to do. So they have given the meanings of the words. See here. See, they have given second, pick and write the words. So we have to pick the words and write the words from the lesson that means the same as the underlined word in the sentence given below. See here, they have given a sentence and they have underlined some words. So there are those some words, the meaning of those some words. For those words in the lesson they have used another word. used another word. That another word we have to identify and we have to write the meaning of the word which is used in the lesson. So let us do it. Yes. So let us. So second one, page number 4. Okay. First one, what they have given. Please open your patterns. So the lines are from the lesson only, but the some words are not from lesson. So for those words underlined. So clearly they have mentioned only underlined words. So underlined words we have to give the substituent words which are used in the lesson. So first I will write here. First one, first sentence what they have given. Please open your petals. Please open your petals so that we may be protected from the rain is a sentence. So here this sentence, the three butterflies they requested to the rose while it was raining. So here which words are underlined? We may be protected. So to get the protection, which word is used in this lesson? Shelter. Isn't it? Shelter in the sense to getting the protection from the something. So shelter, the word which is the word here. We may protect. For this word, which word is used in this lesson? Shelter is used in this lesson. So okay. So the word is, which one is the word? Shelter is the word which is used in this lesson for the meaning of to protect, may be protected. Okay. So second sentence they have given, I will stay wet rather than leave them. So which word is underlined? Leave is underlined. So for the word leave, which word is given in this lesson? Desert. So desert in the sense leaving someone. So leaving someone without help is known as desert. So leave in the sense, which word is used here in this lesson? Desert. The word desert is used. So D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert means leaving someone without help. Okay? Okay. Next sentence. The sun was so happy. The sun was so happy to see the butterflies. To see the butterflies together. So together, the butterfly together in the sense. So what word is used here in this lesson? United. So they were so united. So they didn't want to leave any of one of them in the trouble. So their unity was there. So for that the togetherness is used as united. So the word which means the butterflies together is united. Which is the word? It is united. U-N-I-T-E-D. U-N-I-T-E-D. United. Okay. So next, fourth sentence. The The sun quickly sent away the clouds. So sun, so the underlined words are here, quickly sent away. So here in this lesson, which is the meaning of, what is the meaning of quickly sent away is, so chased. So chased is the, so he chased, he quickly sent away the clouds and he became forward. In the sense he chased. So the word is, which word is correct here? Which word is giving the meaning of quickly sent away? Chased is the word. C-H-A-S-H-E-D. Chased. C-H-A-S-E-D. Chased. Okay. So chased is giving the meaning that quickly sent away. So let us go to the last one, last sentence, last word which is underlined, and for that underlined word, which word is used in this lesson? Let us see. So what is the sentence? See, let us see. I will write it here. The sun shined on the garden and dried the butterflies. See here students, two words they have underlined, dried the butterflies and shine. So for this, which word is used in this lesson? The sun beamed down on the, shine, the meaning it is giving beam, beamed on, so beamed on the, beamed one. So for first underline, the word is used as beamed, B-E-A-M-E-D, beamed. And for dried the butterflies, they have here they have used butterflies. One second. Dried the butterflies' wings. So dried the butterflies' wings is given. Yes. After this, they have given dried the butterflies' wings. Yes. So for this, these are the answers. So for the word, we may be protected. The word is used shelter, and here live. For live, what word is used in the lesson? Desert is used. And here in this, the butterflies together. For this word in the lesson they have used united. And the sun quickly sent away. For this, the word is used chase. And for shine, the word is used beam. Okay. So here we have come to know. We came to know the meanings. So the meanings which are the words which are used in this lesson. So students, what we will do, so today this much is enough. We will stop the class here. In next class we will continue with the match the followings. Okay. So let us end the class here. So let us stop. In next class we will continue.